In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to change Elden Ring language on the PlayStation 5 and whether or not it is possible to do this. For most games on the PlayStation 5, all you have to do to change the language is to select a game from your library and then choose Manage Game Data or Manage Game Content. Inside of the Manage Game Content window, you will be able to browse through additional DLC packs and, of course, audio language packs that you can download in order to play the game in other languages. However, for Elden Ring specifically, it seems like there is a language lock of sorts, and it is not possible to change this language lock after you purchase the game. So while you can try to select a game and go into the Manage Game Content option, you will notice that you might not be able to change the language depending on which one you want to use. Some users have reported that after changing their entire console language, the language in Elden Ring was adjusted. However, I cannot confirm this and said if Sony or Elden Ring indeed has a region or language lock, you will not be able to change the Elden Ring language on the PlayStation 5. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of Elden Ring and changing its language on the PlayStation 5. Thank you for watching.